Hi my friends, today we try to model this 3D ornament. You see, it is very interesting, but it is not so difficult to create. The drawing, where is the drawing? The drawing is here. As you can see, there is a coil with variable diameters, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a pattern, in a circular pattern. The radius 3 here must be for spherical. R3 spherical is the correct dimensioning here. This is why when you consider the medium axis, you have to subtract 3 from each dimension. This is radius 53 minus 3. This is radius 37 plus 3, because the position of the center is up. Here is 11.5, and you have to consider 11.5 minus 3. The correct dimensioning would be this one. You see, radius 50 is the radius 53 minus 3. There is a distance here, 25, from the mid-axis to the general axis. This is the pitch. Every such coil has the same pitch, 60, as I understand from this drawing. Then we have to place the center of the first coil down from the center of the whole object, and this dimension is not useful at all. 17 is the center circle, which means 8.5, which is the 11.5 minus 3, the radius, half of this diameter. Okay, let's start. Yes, we start, of course, by using the standard millimeters template, and we draw this contour, this one, you see, but placed up. Be careful what I do here. I draw a horizontal line, I keep the left button pressed, and I go to the right. I start the first arc. Then I keep pressed again the left button, and I go to the point where I see a dotted line, horizontal dotted line. I release the button. Now I also press the left button, I go to the right and down, and I go to the right on the horizontal line till I see a vertical there. This is the moment. If you can see, I cannot show you this. And now I go to the right, and I hope this is tangent. Let's see if it is. No problem. We align on the same vertical these 2 points. Then we make equal both radii here and both segments to have a symmetry as we expect to. Then we apply radius 50 here and everything is scaled. 50 because we have this dimension in the drawing. You can write 53 minus 3. The same thing. Home. Then this dimension is 11.5 minus 3. This is 37 plus 3 plus 3. The total dimension is 200. And there is another dimension between the axis and this vertex of the arc. To do this, I project as a center line the axis X, and then I can place a dimension between this and you see the 2 icons. Yes, I select this one, not this one. So I go here, I move the cursor until I see this, but not diameter. I know that this is 25. 25. Let's see again. We have these dimensions in the drawing? 20, 25 here. Excuse me. 25, 8.5, 50, 40, and 200. 50, 25, 11.5 minus 3 is 8.5, 37 with 3 is 40, 53 is 50 like here. Very good. Now I use this sketch to create a surface, not a volume. Revolve. You see the symbol here. Surface mode is on. Why? Because this is not a closed contour. I select this, and because the axis is center line, the surface is already created. I'll change by using the sequence Alt Fi, and I have the application options. Of course, you can use this to open the same window, and there is also somewhere at the tools application options, 3 places where you find this important window. Colors, and I select forest to see better our construction. Now you have a better look, and I create now a plane starting from this one to the left at the distance of minus 200 divided by 2. Yes, I cannot use the circle to create a plane, a work plane. This plane is for drawing a line which starts from the center and goes to 50. I know that 50 is enough length to cover all the part in this direction. Finish sketch, fully constrained. Yes, every sketch must be fully constrained as possible. Visibility, and now I use the tool coil to use that pitch of 60 and to create another surface. You see, I have tried this, but for you I write again 60. The solution is pitch and height, this solution. The length is 200 and the axis is the axis X, and we see what will happen. Okay. You see what I have here. And now I want to create the curve at the intersection of these two surfaces. One is the coil and the other is the revolve. To create that curve at the intersection, we use the 3D sketch tool. We select intersection curve, we select this, and now automatically it goes to the second geometry, and I select one by one that segments of the other surface. Okay, look here, the intersection is all we want to have. Finish 3D sketch. Yes, we have to leave this environment, and we make not visible the revolving surface or revolved surface and the flat coil. And now we have the curve. I create a plane at the end of the curve, 3D curve of course, because I want to place there a circle with the radius 3. Finish sketch. This is no more useful to be seen, and I use sweep to sweep this profile, this close contour over this profile. Okay, you see, this is a volume for the now this is a volume. F6, the position. Now I create the ends spherical ends by selecting a face, making the contour as construction lines, drawing a diameter. This is a diameter, I suppose. It is not yet. Extend, I extend to be. I draw an arc. And I make this line center line. Why not? Finish sketch. Revolve. I select the profile and I select volume, not surface. Now is volume. When we see here Boolean options, we know that this is a solid. Okay. The other end, select, sketch, everything construction, axis, center line, axis, and I draw a diameter, no matter what is its position, since we apply coincidence between the line and the center. And then an arc from one end to the other of the diameter and a point on the circle. Finish this, revolve. We have Boolean options, so we have everything because Inventor knows what we want to do. F6. The material is stainless steel. The view is simple shaded, and we have the first coil, real one, not surface. Then we apply simply the pattern, circular pattern of everything here, 1, 2, 3 objects, the mid and the ends, about the x-axis, but not 6, 5, around the full circle, 360 degrees. Oh, we have the part, my friends. Yes, this is the nice ornament we just created. For you to control what you have done, the physical data is here, copy, close, and I create a sketch, a new sketch somewhere, start a sketch of this, and I place here a text for you, volume equal paste. Okay, finish sketch, Alt F(I), and the presentation is our option. Okay, volume is here. Try to make a construction which has the same volume like I have here. Good. This is the final presentation. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.